What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool Kicks. I am super excited to bring you guys this video. Because the entire reason why I started this YouTube channel was because I was building my collection. I was always a fan of sneakers, which is always broke, so I couldn't afford any. So I started this YouTube channel while I was building my collection. So I thought I would share with you guys what's going on with my collection, guys. So we are doing an unboxing. I just got a package from Stockx. Got this a few days ago. I got this 3-4 days ago from Stockx, and I just thought I'd share with you guys what I got. Some of you guys are gonna know what this box is. Never really seen a Jordan 11 box, to be really honest with you. So yeah, let's see what we got, you guys. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Ooh. So excited. So excited. Let's see how it looks, you guys. Okay, we got two layers. We got the black and we got the white, guys. Bam! Here we go, you guys. We got the cap and gown 11s. Cap and gown 11s. Throw that right there. Throw the second one. Alright, so these were on my top 3 of shoes that I had to have. Jordan 11s, guys. Bam. And bam. You get it from Stockx. Just come with their little tag or tassel or whatever. But yeah, man. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Woo. These are just fire, you guys. These are fire. Wow. Wow. Alright, let's study these, guys. Let's take a look at these. Alright, so I really wasn't aware that the top is all suede. The very, very top part, all suede. This part is a plastic, glossy plastic, which is pretty sweet. Patent leather, you guys know. Everybody knows that these are patent leather. The 11s are always patent leather. But yeah, the suede upper is really, really very, very interesting, because one of the reasons I didn't get the Concord is because it's all nylon. That nylon does turn yellow and does get scuffed up. But yeah, I'm very, very, very surprised to see that it's all suede. Big fan of that. The bottom, all black. Does have the see-through. I thought this part was grayer. I thought this part right here was going to be a lot more gray, but no, not at all. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of these. Got the 23s in the back. Jumpman. It is a glossy plastic. Yeah, it's in really good condition. Very, very good condition. That's how that is. That's how it is. Stuff like that. Got the say Jordan backwards. Oh no, it says Jordan this way. I'm sorry. It says Jordan. Jordan. Yep. That is nice, you guys. I'm a huge fan of these. Oh man, can't wait to put these on. Can't wait to put them on. Question is, do I put them on a special occasion, or do I just wear them like every other sneaker? What do you guys think? Let me know, you guys. Let me know. So I did take out the inserts. There were 2 plastic inserts with the Jordan emblem on them. And there also was a little bit of paper behind it. And the tags. Look at the dates and stuff. I will be going to Jumpman Boston his site, and we'll be legit checking, making sure the tags match and stuff. Yeah, 1917 to 2/23/18. That's when it was made. Size 10. The font and everything looks good. Font and everything looks good. But yeah, we'll have to legit check these because why? Because I am crazy paranoid. And I want to make sure I got the real deals. But it looks good, you guys. It looks really good. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. I got number 2 on my list. Got 2 on my list of my top 3 shoes that I had to have. The first one was the Black Cement 3s. This one, Cap and Gown 11s. And then I think the third one, I think the next one I'm gonna get is the 13 breads. And then the 11 breads are gonna come out in November. I'm gonna get those. But the top 3, yeah, those are the top 3 that I'm gonna try to get. The top 3 that I need to have. So yeah, so let me know what your top 3 Jordans are. Let me know what you guys are trying to cop. Let me know if there are any shoes that are on your guys' list that you guys are trying to get. I'm dying to hear what's on the top 3 for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you all press that like button for this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys press that notification bell so you guys know when the new videos are coming out. I do try to drop a video every day so you guys have something to entertain your day and so you guys are informed, because you know what, most of us don't like paying full price for stuff. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.